starting to rain. Just like they said it would. Again, supposed to rain for 10 days here in the Modesto area. There, that's better. I will get new windshield wipers, but probably in a couple weeks this thing will be gone anyway. You know what I mean? So I'm heading back towards the home. And in about an hour and a half, I got a phone call coming in. And then do my thing. Go see my brother Dave. Go do something. Whatever. Anyway. Rain. Well, California, I tell you. Either a drought or flood. I heard a rumor, what they're going to, thinking about doing is raising the dam and the overflow at Don Pedro 10 feet. They say that they can almost get about 50% more capacity up there. I say, why not? At least that's the rumor. I don't know how true it is. That is Briggsmore Avenue. And I'm on Claus. It is 42 degrees too, by the way, at 6:50 a.m. So there you go, little weather report from Modesto, California. Enjoy your day, whatever you do. And thanks for watching.